Well, Gina, when you put the daggone earphones on, it was going to cut the microphone off. Don't listen yet. Okay, this is a type 1 moment. I'm sharing this from my YouTube channel. Good morning, Grand Rising, everybody. This is the first time I'm doing this, so it's not going to just go simply. Did you get the cover? You get it when you get up? Okay, this is going to be above the butt.
This is above
so I'm scared
to
put it on her back. Like, I don't want to put it on her back. I've never done this here before. Gina, don't do that because you know I have bad nerves.
And that was loud. Woo, that was loud. Oh, I'm sorry. That was just loud. And it just came out of nowhere.
I thought I poked you. I'm like, this thing. Oh my God. It's like.
I ain't heard this song before.
This is so weird. So I'm just going to do it. You're going to listen to that and you're not going to read. I mean, you want me to count or anything?
Just tell me when you're going to do it.
Like, yo.
Be like 3, 2, 1, because I can hear you.
You can hear me? It's not
loud. It's not that loud. I'll turn it down. I don't want
to put it in the wrong place. Alright, I know this is your butt. I'm scared. This is scary. I don't want to do it wrong.
Ma, if you don't take the plastic off.
Maybe you should lay it a little flatter. Because your back has an arch. Like, yeah, that's way better. Because I felt like I was putting it up too high. I don't want to put it up down too low. Alright. I'm taking this off because I'm about to apply this. This is a device. So it's it's an actual system. We have a touchscreen monitor. We don't use it. We use our phone. Up to 10 people can actually hear her read and actually see what her sugar
Hola.
is doing. Muy bien.
Hola.
Hola. ¿Cómo estás? What I say, Jenny?
Estoy bien.
Estoy bien. Welcome.
I think como estás mean how are you doing?
From
America. But I think estoy bien is how.
Type 1 mom stuff. If you don't have a type 1 child, you may not know what the heck I'm doing, but I'm taking steps to make sure the doctor sees her blood levels at all times. I read her blood levels on my phone at all times, and it goes on her phone as well. With this little piece of technology, I don't know who to thank for this, China or what is it? Made in, whoever is made, thank you. I hope it's not harmful to my daughter in the future.
Ooh, girl, you done pinched me.
I did not pinch you.
You didn't?
No.
Oh.
Okay, so I'm about to take off this safety clip, right, Gina? Take this thing off first, right?
Yeah.
Taking off the safety clip.
This life is rough.
Looks like this. That's trash. Then hey, I'm about to do the first one, okay? So you might want to lay flat or something, just relax. Because this is an exact, like it's a long needle tube that goes inside of her. And then that's the first clip. And then I have to pull the trigger thing back. It pulls the needle back, but it leaves a wire in her that reads to this. This we change every week. This is the Dexcom sensor. This is a Dexcom transmitter. The sensor only lasts 7 days, and it was time to change it. I'm about to take her to the doctor because she's having a little issues. I think she's just having a stress breakout. You know, as females, we get stressed, girl, and you know, she's 14, teenage years. We get stressed and we break out, our skin break out, anything. So I gotta take my babysitter. All right, I'm nervous. I'm very nervous, y'all, because this is really like, I've never done it.
And when you get to 1, don't wait. Just push it, all right? What? Don't you wait and be like, you ready? Don't do that. Because I be ready. And then I don't be ready because you asked me, am I ready? So once you get to 1, just push it, all right?
Okay.
Push it.
It's very, this isn't easy for me. She's very tough. I would be dramatic and crazy doing this every day. Okay, but this is the thing that I learned because Gina's been using her arm, which we saw that online. But after I called and talked to a Dexcom specialist, They told me don't use the arm. The only 4 sites that they approve, they approve. You know, we do our will. We got free will out here. They only really approve the right above your, you know, pubic ears, like at the bottom of your stomach on both sides. Or above your buttocks, 1, 2. So we can't use the arm anymore. And then one time she went swimming and the thing fell off. And you don't want the wire to break off from the new sensor that you're inserted because it'll be stuck in her. Then we gotta go to the hospital. So you know, I try to follow the order, the directions. Shit, I went and put up a video and everything. I wanted to get this right because I've never done this area before. Oh. Okay, I gotta count for my damn self. I need somebody to count for me. Count for me, guys. Say 1, 2, 3, go, machine. Oh my God. Yeah, there you go, Jackie. Jackie got me. Jackie got me. 1, 2, 3. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I hear you.
All right, don't move. Oh God.
Say it out loud now.
I was about to do it.
Oh.
I was about to say, okay, you made me get scared again. Okay. Please don't hurt my baby. I can't even sit there and do it. 1. So do it at 3, right?
Yes, 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh, 4 then, because go is 4. You need to tell me this stuff, because I did it, you better slap the shit out of me. 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh.
You felt it? Is it right? Oh my God, is it okay?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm good.
Oh. So I'm pulling it out. So 1.
Oh,
What's
okay.
What's wrong?
Do it. Just do it.
1, 2, 3, go. That was 2 clicks. Oh, fuck my life. Us mothers, we do what it takes. You hear me? So now the sensor is inserted. You want me to put the cover on before I put this on, or you can put it on with this on there?
I could put it on.
Because we use, you can actually call Dexcom.
That energy can handle the capacity.
You do this shit. It's going to be a little pressure. You snap it in. 2 snaps. Boom. So now the warming process is going to start. I'm done. Light a fan. Give me trouble. Look at my beautiful baby, y'all. She looks so cute today. Show them your afro, Gina.
They can't even see me.
Yes, they can, because I'm going to brighten the screen.
It is already bright.
Oh, this girl. I keep forgetting. She is so precious. I'm so proud of her.
Back down.
And me, because, child, I'm too over this crazy stuff.
I gotta
come up with no more damn diseases. Don't you take my earphones and break them. But that was a type 1 moment. We have all kinds of crazy type 1 moments dealing with this diabetes, but I'm super proud of us. We're going on our 4th year in 2 months. August, September, October, it'll be 4 years. I'm proud of her. She's very strong. I've learned how to be strong from her. I'm trying to learn as much about this disease as possible. I don't like taking people's advice unless I know that they deal with their child specifically or deal with it themselves, or you can just tell by what people say who knows what. You feel me? But I'm gonna take this video and add it to my YouTube channel. My Jackie said, hey baby. Let me read some comments because I seen some, but I was, girl, looking cock at it. I couldn't read. Hola, I see. Hey, you two, love you both. Love you too, my Jackie. Just say 1, 2, 3, go. That's what she said. We did it. Yes, we did. I love you guys. I'm going to take this video and dump it online because I'm sharing. Like I said, I'm still moving to YouTube. The move is actually doing pretty daggone good. I'm seeing that most people are gravitating to my music and my diabetic videos. What you mean you can't bend over? It's sore? Is it wrong? Do it hurt?
It don't hurt.
Girl, right behind her spine too, child.
I'm gonna rip the thing.
Well, where's the thing at? The
That's what I'm looking for.
They shouldn't be on the floor. They should be on that table. She is so unorganized, and you had to be organized. We got all these little pieces and parts and this and that, and they got organized shot times and shot checks and injections and just checking in, and oh my goodness. But
oh yeah, no, I
it
can't.
makes us bind.
I can't.
You can't what?
I can't bend over.
You can't bend over.
Nope.
She can't bend over.
I tried it. I felt that little.
Maybe it's in the wrong place.
No, like the little adhesive. This is good. It's the adhesive.
You don't feel pain.
No,
It just feels like the adhesive's gonna come off, and we don't want that because it'll break away from the wire. Oh wow! So you need those covers. Just sit down, and mommy's gonna find everything. We gotta get out of here. I think my baby's having a stress breakout right now on her face, and it's been a lot of stuff going on, especially with the disease, the insulin. I don't know what it is. We had a surprise. Whatever you want to call this mess going on right now. We just got a lot of things going on, and it's really pressuring my child. Anyone seeing this video, please be mindful of how you treat people. It shows your character speaks for you. I'm a type 1.
What's wrong?
But your butt is so high though. I'm scared. I don't like what it's. So now I'm about to apply a cover to try to ensure that the adhesive
Oh my God, my music's still playing.
doesn't separate from her skin, because that'll take pressure from the sensor on the outside and it'll separate from that wire. So like I said, it's a lot to this stuff, but we get it done, and I'm proud of her. She don't sneak food, and she's very responsible.
You gotta take the paper off.
Child.
You see like the little opening?
Yeah, I got it. I'm just.
It's like flaps.
Gina, move your arm, child. I got it. I can see. I'm just trying to understand what the heck was
Because the first time we thought it was actually that.
Girl, that's why I was looking like this one is ugly.
It was crackling.
But they're actually clear. You have to peel this paper off of it and make sure it's on her skin. You have to go around it about 3-4 times. I am a CNA. I don't give a damn what nobody say. Don't ask me what my job is. My job is type 1 mom, honey, and need a daggone tax ID number added to it. Because this is real.
When is the appointment?
Especially for single parents. So we got to be there by 12:30, but I want to get there at 12. Because I want to go ahead and get you registered so we can get on in there. Yeah, so we be like the first person. Because they start the walk-ins at 12:30.
Yeah.
That's why I said, that's why I wanted you to get up and get yourself together so we can be out the door. Because you know you got all this stuff you got to do. We can't just get up and go. Yes, baby, you can have whatever I got. It's yours. This goes in the trash. So does this.
Okay, now I feel better to bend.
Yeah, you need a support from, because that adhesive is fabric.
Yeah.
This is plastic, and it actually covers it. Those covers are amazing. She can go swimming with that thing, and she can go to school with it on, and she can go places with her friends with that on, and anything happens, she calls her mom, or I call her, because sometimes she ain't paying attention, and this is what I do. And that's what it takes to take care of the daughter that I birthed out of my vagina. I love you guys. Type 1 Mom signing off.